The latest feature that I want to share with you is importing SVG files. So the importing of SVG files is very flexible now. Kasi right now we have two choices, which is the footages and the um, composition. So just to give you ang tawag ito, a background of what is the difference between the footages, composition, and composition dash retain layer size. Kasi nasa mindset natin, oh, these three are the same, right? But it's not actually, guys. So let's go first to After Effects. Let's go to File, then Import, then File. This is the new feature of of Adobe After Effects. So let's go to File. Then let me minimize this na lang para hindi nyo nakikita yung mga files dyan. Ayan. So let's go to File. Then Footage. Ayan. Ito muna yung gamitin natin para hindi magulo. Footage, then Import. Then, ayan. Pag pinut natin ng footage, may kita nyo, may mga choices na kagad siya. So, may kita natin import kind footage niya dito. Ayan, ito muna footage. So, merge layer. Pag sabi natin merge layer, pag-iisayin na yan nung layer na meron tayo dito sa Illustrator. Let me show to you how many layers is this. So, this layer composed of 2 layers. Ayan. So, when we go back to Illustrator, pag minerge na natin yan, we will see a 1 layer. Ayan. So, what is the difference? Meron lang siyang file, but it doesn't create a composition. Okay? Kung ano lang yung meron siya dyan, basta flat layer lang siya. Okay. Now, let's do the another one. Pero before that, let me rename it para hindi magulo, ha. Okay, so let's rename this at footages. Underscore na lang natin. Enter. So, let's import again another one to see the difference lang naman, di ba? Ayan. So, sample ulit tayo. Then, let's go to composition, retain layer sizes. Then, import. See the difference? There's, sa composition, ang tawag ito, composition, retain layer sizes, it created a composition plus this layer dito. Ayan, okay? So, but the difference is this one, this sample one is, and meron na siya dito. Ayan, okay? Kita. Ayan. Pag ito, trinag din natin to, may iba din siyang composition. Nakaano siya, ayan . Ayan. So, yun din yung composition retain niya. Okay? Though ang anchor point din niya is same din nasa middle din ba? Ayan. Tingnan natin kung nasa middle ba. Oh. So, makikita mo dito, meron siyang outbound yan. Sa middle siya. Ayan. Nagagalaw mo pa rin siya. Okay, let me align this one. Ayan. Ayan. I-rename lang natin to. Na composition retain na lang. Layer size. Ayan. Oops. Tama. Yan. Para di tayo malito. Next is let's go to File, Import again, then File. Let's go to Composition naman. Then, yan. Then, Composition. Tingnan natin kung ano yung pagkakaiba. Natin. Baka kayo may napapansin yung pagkakaiba. Ako wala. Okay, so let's go to this one. Ito yung sample. Oh! So, nakat na yung outbound niya na sobra. Nakita niyo yung difference? Kasi ito, the composition retain layer sizes is meron, itong object ko, meron siyang extra part dito. Ayan. Nakikita nyo. Hindi ko na siya ma-zoom in. Hindi ko alam paano siya ma-zoom in. Ayan. Let's click to . Let's click this one. Ito na lang. Let's create. Kita nyo? So, yun yung mga differences.